Good evening, YouTube, but I'm Unleashed back at you right here at the Tifton Gardening Channel. And since it has indeed been nearly a month since we brought you guys our last update on our Purple Dragon Carrots, we thought we'd take this moment to take you out to our 2-foot by 6-foot main Hugel garden planter and show you guys exactly what has happened in the last 30 days. Hang tight. Alright, YouTube. That's Trigger. That is not our Purple Dragon Carrots. I'm going to take you guys over here right now and give you a quick peek at what's going on and exactly what has happened in our main 2-foot by 6-foot sugar garden planter. Trigger, come over there. Right here in our front yard. Take a look at this, YouTube. Do you guys see that? Now tell me, have our Purple Dragon Carrots really taken off in this 2-foot by 6-foot Hugel garden planter, or what? Let me give you guys a long view here. I'm trying to get this entire planter in here, but look at that. Aren't they looking fantastic, YouTube? Again, it has been approximately 30 days since we brought you guys our last update on this garden planter. And yeah, we're really pleased with what we see right here in our 2-foot by 6-foot main Hugel garden planter with our Purple Dragon Carrots. And we're really looking forward to a fantastic harvest from these plants in the near future. At any rate, YouTube, if you are indeed watching this video, you're not currently already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really would appreciate it.
I woke up early morning way before the sunrise, deep in my feelings and I had you lady on my mind. Ain't got to tell me cause I know true love is hard to find, but I miss your voice, I haven't heard it in a long time. I wonder where you are and got me wondering where you been. More than my lover, you're my queen and you're my best friend. I used to hear your heartbeat whisper to me in the wind, and now I'm praying for the day that I see you again. Wonder if you miss me and I wonder if you feel my pain. You being distant is enough to make me go insane. Every time I close my eyes I smile because I see your face, and it makes me wish that I could wrap you up in my embrace. Said that you love me, but you disappear without a trace. You are my heart, my lioness, no one can take your place. Please help me understand, I'm falling and I'm so confused, but I'm still a man and I'm about to let my heart be abused. I know the world moves on and sometimes people tend to change, but every day I wake up going through the same things. I still remember how you used to take my stress away, down in the valley in the neighborhood where you stay. I offered you my heart and you said that you would take control, but I never thought that you would leave me standing in the cold. I often dream about you, got me waking up at night, deep in reflection, and I'm hoping that you're alright.